In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can remove a video which you had reposted on TikTok. If you've reposted a video on TikTok, whether it was because you've liked the video and now you've changed your mind, or you've reposted it on accident, then let's remove it. Firstly, make sure that your TikTok application is fully updated to the latest version. After this step, we'll open the TikTok app on our device, and let's say I find a video and I repost it. All I have to do in order to remove that repost is to go over to my TikTok profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your TikTok profile, you'll want to select the Repost section by tapping here, and you can see a list of all of the different videos which I had reposted. If I want to remove some of these videos, I'll just tap on a video to open it, and then you want to click on the little Share button at the right side of the screen. This sharing menu will pop up, and if you've reposted this specific video which we had opened, you'll see a Remove Repost option. So just click on that button, and our reposted video will be removed. I'll remove another repost from my TikTok profile, and that's it. You can see that I only have 2 videos left, and I've removed 2 videos which I had reposted. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.